The future of automated vehicles is pretty profound and well beyond the comprehension of what we thought was possible even a decade ago.
The transportation industry is going through an amazing transformation. AI is enabling all types of new vehicles that are going to be much safer.
At this time in the industry, it's really important that we are helping educate the public and policymakers about what this technology means, where it stands right now, and what they can expect from it.
Since Benz invented the car in 1886 and then Model T rolled off the line in 1918, I mean, this will shape how civilization is, and I think that's scary to a lot of people.
Public trust is crucial to the rollout of self-driving cars. No one company can do it alone, right? I think it's really crucial that we all come together to educate and tell folks just why self-driving cars are safe and why they're important.
It's critical that the public understands how safe these vehicles will be and how transformative it's going to be.
So we at Audi really wanted to initiate the creation of PAVE, Partners for AV Education.
PAVE is a diverse group of private sector companies, nonprofits, academic institutions, and other stakeholders who share two beliefs.
We have to make sure that people are educated about what it's capable of doing and what the potential benefits are.
INRIX thinks that it's imperative that we have the sort of industry leadership in helping to ensure that policymakers, the general public, and media understand the limitations, but also the opportunity for this technology.
And I believe very strongly that this is going to be a very positive step in the quality of life of our residents here in Miami-Dade County. It's going to be a positive step in giving them different options.
We believe Cruise and the efforts at PAVE dovetail really well together. PAVE is meant to be educational. It's not an advocacy group. And this is meant to really inform the public about where this technology stands today and where it's going.
The PAVE Coalition will bring about a world where there is less hype and confusion around these technologies, but there's more awareness and accurate knowledge of what automated vehicles can do versus what we have on our roads today.
As they become more and more prevalent on our streets, we need the public to understand their capabilities, how they're being used on the streets with safety drivers.
What's so exciting about PAVE is that it brings together a very diverse group of stakeholders in a unified mission to accurately educate everyone in America about automated vehicles.
Along with SE International, PAVE and SE have a shared mission and a shared vision for the future. And it really is about safe transportation for all. And we believe through the connected, automated, and shared vehicles, we can do that.
PAVE is the only organization now that is focused entirely on bringing that education to everyone.